So today in this tutorial we are going to learn something on the Ltrim function. So suppose I have one table which is called employees and I have created one replicate table for that employees table which is the employees underscore v1. So now I want to select the queries from this employees underscore v1 table. So data is showing here, but you can see the employee ID which is 100 and respect to that first name is like star 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 Steven. I have updated the first name column so that I can show you how Ltrim function is working over here. So let me just select the first name, select star from first name from employee ID. Okay, select star, select select first name from employees underscore v1 where employee ID equal to 100. So you can see the first name is coming but including the star with the Steven name. So to remove or trim these stars, we have to write one query. Select, the query is select first name comma Ltrim first name comma star. Select which column we have to select, the first name comma Ltrim of first name, Ltrim of first name and comma replace the stars. I mean that will just remove those stars, whatever the first name have in that column, it will remove the stars with the Ltrim function. So select first name comma Ltrim first name star from employees underscore v1. Okay, from v1 where employee ID equal to 100. So you can see the first name is replaced by this Ltrim Steven. It is removed all the stars over here. All the stars over here it is replaced. Okay. Now I would like to um, give an alias as a trim value. Okay, so trim value, let run this. Okay, employee v1 not here, remove it here as trim value. Now yes, it is showing trim underscore value and it is showing Steven. So that is the one thing I would like to discuss over here today. So I hope that the Ltrim functionalities are clear for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe.